The Jawaharlal Nehru University administration has accepted several demands of the protesting students' union, including conducting a caste census on campus. The JNU Students' Union has been protesting against the university administration for the past 15 days. However, the stalemate between the protesting students' body and the university administration may come to an end as the administration has agreed to at least 6 out of the 12 major demands raised by JNUSU. As per reports, the agreed demands include conducting a caste census of the campus, increasing scholarship amounts, reinstating the old in house entrance exam system JNUEE for admissions, and reducing the weightage of Viva in admissions. However, even after the administration agreed to several demands of the protesting students' union, JNUSU has continued its protest. It has demanded that the administration give them written confirmation of the agreed demands. As per reports, functionaries of JNUSU have been holding hunger strikes since 11th August. It is alleged that the president and councillor of the students' body have lost several kgs of weight and are facing health issues. Earlier, a negotiation meeting was held on 23rd August. It was the day when the JNUSU took out a long march to the Ministry of Education. The students' body claimed that Rector 1 of the university, Brijesh Kumar Pandey, had assured them that the university would accept some of their demands. The JNUSU has claimed that the university has agreed in principle to increase the merit cum means scholarship from Rs 2,000 to Rs 5,000, as well as to extend the provision to students of the School of Engineering and the School of Management. Regarding the demand to hold a caste census, the students' body further claimed that the administration has verbally assured the union that they will publish the category-wise data of JNU students, faculty, and staff within the next 15 days. They added that the university has also agreed to present the NAFEC committee report at the upcoming academic council meeting for approval, which recommends reducing the weightage of Viva marks to 10 to 15% in admissions.